Gives us PC, which is probable cause to search that vehicle. So do you understand what's going on? Not speaking? All right. Smell anything in here?
Negative.
All right, because the dude that I removed, the driver,
Yeah.
I moved him, I put him in the back of my vehicle. My vehicle reeks. Your vehicle doesn't reek anymore. I was speaking to the passenger. You know, he was like, listen, it's not my car. I don't know if anything is in there. You know what I mean? He's more so, playing that game, saying if there is something in there, it's not his. The driver, I went back and tried to speak to him. He's just not talking anymore. So he does reek. I think he may have something on him. He might have stashed it somewhere.
That's what I'm thinking.
Stashed it somewhere where we can't just physically can't. It's not in his pockets. I don't think, unless you just take the gloves off and maybe try it like that. And maybe feel. You turn his pockets inside out, right?
Yeah, I'll search it again. I'm absolutely going to
I would say he definitely reeks. You ever been stopped for marijuana before?
I don't know. Have you ever stopped someone for marijuana before?
Yeah, we have. All the time.
Yeah, that's what it smells like. I want you to look and put all your money in pockets. Everything's going in my hat.
Alright. You know, money's got a lot of germs on them, right? You're going to put that back on your hat. That's clear.
If you think this is the worst thing I'm going to do to you right now, you have another thing coming, my friend.
I'm not...
You could have been honest with me from the get-go. I gave you a chance.
Don't kick his shoes off.
Yo, like, oh my god.
Move your hands.
Bro, this is ridiculous.
Move
Yo,
your
this
hands.
is like sexual assault. Like, I don't have nothing in my pants. Like, what are you doing? Yo, this is ridiculous. Like,
Definitely get the odor when you open his pants.
alright? Yeah. Alright, look, you want me to take my boxers off right here so I don't have to waste the time to go downtown because you think I got weed? Like, what do you want me to do? Like, seriously, I have to go to work. You want me to take my clothes off? I'll be more than happy to, officers. Like,
Let me explain something to you. All right, it's not like TV. All right, so if you think you're going to go to the county jail for it, it's not like that. All right, it's a disorderly person's offense.
I know how life works. I am not stupid. Like,
All right, what
I
we're
shouldn't even
saying
be
is
talking to you. I'm not even going to say anything anymore.
you don't have to. You don't have to at all.
Am I free to go?
Not at this point. No.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, you are.
For what?
You're under arrest
For
the
what?
odor of marijuana.
For what?
The odor of marijuana. You are
Oh,
under the vehicle.
so now you could get arrested for somebody smelling something. That's what this is about.
Yep.
Yes.
And what kind of law is that?
It's a
What
New
is the
Jersey law.
what is the law then?
It's a New Jersey law.
What is the New Jersey law?
New Jersey law states.
You can arrest somebody. If I was arrested, you'd be bringing me down right now. I know how
Oh,
this
we might
works.
take you back to the station, do a strip search. We might do that.
If that's you guys trying to scare me into telling on myself for something I didn't even do wrong, then that's not going to work. Because you're going to bring me down, you're going to strip search me, whatever you want, put your little glove on, try cavity check, do this, do that, strip search me, take my clothes.
It's been done before.
No, I know how you guys try. I know.
Who's you guys? What does that mean?
Come on, like, I don't have weed.
Did you get in the boxers?
Huh?
Did you get in the boxers?
Not.
Can I have... Come on, don't... I'll show you. I'll show
want to
you.
strip down right in front of the traffic here?
I don't want you guys fucking doing me like the TSA and shit, fucking sexually assaulting me. Like, come on.
Stop him for.
Tailgating.
Huh?
He's tailgating the truck.
They're both negative.
Yeah. Justin here is suspended.
In the back. Who's he talking to? DB?
Probably. I hope so. I mean, if it comes down to I have to put on latex gloves and get after it, I will.
Bro, you are not touching
Your last chance.
Yo, you can bring me down. You do what you gotta do. You are not sticking those gloves on me. If you want to put your hand in my pants and fucking sexually assault me again, just you can do that. You're not doing no weird shit with that.
This is.
I don't fucking care what you're talking about. Search, do whatever you think you gotta do. It's gonna be on that little body cam though.
Yep. And it's going to be on a microphone that's attached to my...
Alright, that's good.
We're seeing you right now.
All right, yeah, I know. I already know it's weird. I already said that too. I already know the car's negative. I know that too. So let's go. Go where? Yeah. I don't know exactly if this is legal or not, but I don't think it is.
It's legal. I just talked to my detective sergeant.
I don't know.
You can tell me where it is right now, or I can go in and go get it.
What the fuck kind of gay shit is that, yo?
Stop
Wait, can we at least go in front of the cop car so we're on that camera too? Can we do that?
You want me to search you in front of the
Yeah,
camera?
I want. No, I really did. Yeah. What? Yo, you are really on some wild ass shit right now. Like, yo, oh man, I can't wait. You better hope this is legal. Oh my. Did you find it? Did you find it? Yo, you guys are really ridiculous. Shit, you might as well ask me on a fucking date. You might. Oh, it sure seems like that. Yo, this is justice! He's raping me! Yo, he's raping me! Yo, help! Yo, what the fuck? Yo, he's raping me! Yo, he's raping me! Damn, where's the camera? Yeah. Oh, don't show him my big deal. Yo. Don't break my pants at least. Come on, man. Seriously. Yo, this is getting out of control. Yo. Yo, this motherfucker's a faggot. Yo, is this legal? Are you serious?
Sorry, bud.
Yo, do you at least feel bad for me, man? Like, what the fuck kind of shit is this? This is yo. Oh my god. Sorry if my dick gets hard. Yo. Don't lift my ass. Yo, this is just for real. This is some really wild shit. Yo, I just got fucking. Damn, I think I'm traumatized. That was really fucking weird. That was really. Justin! Justin, he touched my ass! He grabbed my nuts! He grabbed my dick! Oh wait, Justin, he found weed! I had weed on me! I didn't know! Oh! Yo, don't go back. Yo!
Listen to me. Stop moving.
What?
Stop moving.
How many times are you gonna check? I know you're gonna push me.
You're getting frustrated because you're moving. Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
The less you move, the quicker this will take.
Yo! Oh my! Yo! What the fuck? Oh. Bro, this is ridiculous. Yo, he's doing some real crazy shit right now, yo. Oh. Yo, I cannot believe this is really happening just because a fucking cop says he smells weed. Like, you guys got that much. You got that much weed? You might as well leave him down. The whole fucking world saw my dick, man. Yeah, find me out this thing. Did you break my bone? I know, you're getting tired, right? Like, what the fuck? Oh my god, this is great. This is great. I really what are you grabbing me like that for?
So you don't walk out into traffic and get hit.
I know you just sexually assault me, but I'm not gonna kill myself. Like, I'm not that traumatized. Like, damn. I cannot believe that.
Jack, here are your documents.
That's not a ticket, is it?
Sure is.
Ticket for...
I'm going to do you one better, my friend. ticket for tailgating. This is the New Jersey State Police compliment complaint form. If you honestly believe that your rights were violated or I was unprofessional in any way, I put my name and my badge number, the car I was driving, the license plate of the car. Yeah. You may fill it out and you may bring it to any state police barracks that you choose to do. Okay? Do you have any questions? What's your question?